Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Fiskars telescoping head shears. What's all my purchases? I like doing these unboxings because there's somebody out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. I'm going to be using these for boxwoods. I've got other pruning shears, but if you're like me, you have a couple little things that start growing. I don't want to pull out the extension cord and the electric shears, and I get tired of going to get my rechargeable shears and the battery needs charging. So I figured I'm going to buy these and go old school and we'll see how it works. So they are telescoping. They're a little bit heavier than what I expected, but I don't think they're going to be too bad, and that's kind of what I liked about them. So I like the idea of getting out there and getting a little bit of a workout. We'll see if I think the same way after I've used them. So you can open these latches and you can basically extend them to as long or as short as you want. Let me show you the longest setting. They lock into place. You don't have to make them all the way long or short. You can stop anywhere in between there. So if I want them right there, I can do it. That's what they look like fully extended. Not a whole lot to show you here. I'm going to try and give you a glimpse of the paperwork that's on them in case you can read that, or if you're wanting to read any of the specs. I will link these accordingly, so if you want to go read about them, you'll be able to. That's a quick unboxing.